Wednesday, July 10th, 2024. You notice how expensive everything's getting? Like, I went and bought some breadcrumbs the other day. They're like $2.79 or something. You don't even, 8 ounces. You don't even get, it's not even full when you get it anymore. It's like a half. Anyways, so like $3 for 8 ounces. What you do is you go get some bread, even stale bread. These are some Vienna rolls we had. They're a couple days old, so you toast them up. See how they're nice and toasty, like little croutons? You put your toasty bread in a wide-mouthed jar here like this, just like that. See, I didn't even get them out. Look at all the breadcrumbs in the bottom there. Look at that. That's like gold. Man, I'm making money already. I didn't even start. All right, I weighed that. It's 2.5 ounces, 74 grams of breadcrumbs. Then you're going to take some Italian seasoning, whatever you like, oregano, mixture of oregano and put a little bit of well, if you want Italian, you can just do plain breadcrumbs, but I want Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. Those are probably even like more, probably like $5 for 8 ounces of that. So put some Parmesan cheese in there, put your Italian seasoning in there. Now, if you just want to do it the old-fashioned way, you can just take this spoon handle or a bamboo utensil like this one, a little bamboo stirring thing, and just jab it all down in there. Or if you got one of these fancy grinder things like this, it's got a little blade in there, it turns around, and it'll go in a big... Alright, the spoon works better. Alright, after you crush them down with the spoon enough, you can get the blender in there, get them as fine as you want them. So there you go. And actually, oh, you could put a little bit of garlic in there too. I didn't do that. I could put some adobo in there. But check that out. Man, they really do smell good. They almost smell buttery or something. I didn't put any butter on them, but they're light toasting. So look at that. And there's like $2 worth of breadcrumbs there.